Wait, listen to this murmur. What is it? I know you are confused. So let's revise all the murmur by this excellent cardboard method. The first is this. This is the murmur of mitral stenosis. It is rough and wobbling in character, seen in mid-diastole, and it has pre-systolic accentuation. Next is this. This is the murmur of mitral regurgitation. It is a pan-systolic murmur of the blowing character. Third is this. This is ejection systolic murmur of aortic stenosis. It is a crescendo-decrescendo in character, and it is harsh in quality. And finally this. This is earlier diastolic, decrescendo and high-pitched murmur of aortic regurgitation. Thanks for watching. Finally, what is Carricone's murmur? You guys let me know in the comments. Then save this video, share with your friend, and keep following me for more such content.